In the last week, my hair has gone from this to this. It's been a big struggle, so I want to show you the things that I've used to get it to be in the best possible condition it can be. It is currently quite shiny, quite strong, and there are certain products that I personally think have had a really big hand in keeping it that way. So I had changed my hair to be this really cool orangey rose gold color in April. I absolutely loved it. Problem was that there was this gold band. It was driving me out of my mind. Now, I know how to do colors on my hair, but I do not know how to color correct. But I have the problem of thinking that I can do things myself. It is a problem. In an attempt to fix it, I ended up doing more damage and more harm than good, where we got to a point where it was like, the best thing I could do is to go darker. You know, I realized while I was trying to go darker and trying to make my hair my more natural color, which is, I want to say it's like a level 7-8 ashy blonde, it ended up just making me feel just meh. Hair has always been a big part of my story, and having colorful hair, I guess in tandem to that, also destroying my hair, going into crisis mode with trying to fix it is also a big part of my story. So I want to show you the things that I have been using that have really helped with making it feel better, because it was getting stretchy, it was breaking. Probably should not have worn a shirt that shows that it's still breaking. I mean, it was big mad. At least it's shiny. It's in a much better place right now. I will just say that. As far as colors go, if you are wondering, it is My Identity, and it is Magenta Magic, I think, and Purple Rain, Purple something. I'll get the colors for you, but I just know it's the Guy Tang line. I have like 2 different routines that I will do. I'll wash my hair twice a week. I don't wash my hair any more than twice a week. It's too much to deal with because it's very curly, and it's just, I don't like dealing with it. I've used Olaplex shampoo and conditioner for a very long time. Those have been my go-to. Absolutely love them. First time I wash it, I will shampoo it, and then I've been using this product that I just found, and I am fully shocked that I've never heard of it before, and I cannot believe how well this works for how short of a time you use it for. It's from Joico. Defy Damage in a Flash 7-second bond builder. All you do is you shampoo your hair, and then it's like literally fully liquid consistency. So you shampoo your hair, squeeze the water out of it, and then you just put it on like mid-lengths to ends, lather it in, it'll get nice and creamy, leave it in for 7 seconds, and then you rinse it out. The difference that has made, it's crazy. It says up to 20 times more resistance to breakage. And that's been my biggest issue, is I just will notice when it's wet, especially, that I could just pull and there was more stretch than there should be, and that there was a lot more breakage than there should be. Truly cannot believe how awesome this works. I got it and I just was like, that sounds interesting and amazing. Unreal, so good. So if I'm using that, then I will just shampoo, use that, use my Olaplex conditioner, rinse, and then use my leave-ins, which my leave-ins are usually, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Mask, Kenra Split-In Mending Serum. I'll just put this on the ends. And then I use the Redken Extreme Play Safe. I brush this through my hair, and then I will towel dry after so that it's not too much. And then I will go ahead and style my hair. I use my regular blow dryer with a smaller brush for my bangs. I use my dry bar, which I absolutely love, for the rest of my hair. And then I'll flat iron it with my T3. And then I recently got the Tymo. This is the Ring Plus. This thing is crazy. I love it for like every day that I'm just refreshing. This thing is nuts. Like it works so well. You do not have to be tiny sections. Oh my God, this thing is like lazy girl dreams. If it's the second day, so first shampooing, we'll use the Joico. Second shampooing is when I go in with K18. I did a reel on Instagram where I showed the first time I used K18, and I didn't know how to use it. And I was very frustrated because the directions do not accurately explain how to use K18, and it's annoying to me. You shampoo your hair, you do not condition, which the first time I used it felt like sacrilege. Illegal, wrong, immoral. I live, breathe, and die by conditioner, so this felt like the most incorrect thing of my life, but I listened. The thing it doesn't say on here is that you need to emulsify this product in your hands so much it turns into like Elmer's glue on your hands. I didn't know this the first time I used it, and when it said like you only need 3 pumps, I was like, there's not enough product here. Once I learned learned how to do it the correct way and you know, you have to emulsify it for what feels like forever, it turns into this crazy paste and you put it through your hair, you leave it for 4 minutes, and then you brush it through. When I use this, one of the things I learned, you can condition after it's set in your hair. This is a repair hair mask. It's like a molecule bonding, I don't know, it just works really well. I do it this way where I will take my shower, shampoo my hair, get out, towel dry my hair, use this. I use like 2 pumps, I think. I'll do 1 pump, put it through. It gets to about, I feel like half, and then I'll get through. I make sure it really sits on the ends, especially these pieces on the sides. This is where the most damage is because this is where the heat hits it most. I don't focus as much on the back of my hair because I don't see it. I know that these pieces get the most damage. So I'll hit that, and then once this has been in for 4 minutes and I've brushed it through, I will go in with my It's a 10 Miracle Mask. I don't love the deep conditioner from Olaplex, and I don't know if it's just because it's so thick. Maybe I just need to like dilute it, but I feel like I have to put so much on because it's so thick. I don't feel like it does much different than their normal conditioner. The one that I always have loved for like 2 decades at this point, I feel like, is the It's a 10 Miracle Mask. I always go back to this one. I will get the biggest size they have. Holy grail. Absolutely love it. So that's a big part of it. And my spray bottle. Now this is one of those misty spray bottles, and I'll use this because you have to towel dry with this. I find that conditioner works a lot better when it has more water. Conditioner needs water because water is moisture, right? So I'll put the conditioner in and I will use some of this spray so that my hair is more saturated. Comb it through. I don't really use a brush. I use a wide tooth comb. Put on a shower cap, and then I'll leave it for like, I don't know, a while. I'll go do something. I'll go eat lunch. I'll go watch a TV show, something. Then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll go back to doing all of my stuff. On this day, sometimes on both days, but I heard about this one on Reddit from other people that have damaged hair. This is from OGX, Argan Oil of Morocco, extra penetrating oil for dry, coarse hairs. And I will just put this through, rub it onto my palms, and I just put it through the ends. The ends are the most dry. This is not going anywhere near my scalp. I find that that has helped immensely. Once I've flat ironed, blow dried everything and it's styled, the only other products I really use, and that's just to add a little bit more shine, is the Olaplex bonding oil, and then Bedhead After Party, which I feel like I've been using since I was in like 8th grade, but I still absolutely love this stuff. It just like adds shine. I don't think it does anything as far as health. It's like fake health. It's fully like, even says here, silky, healthy looking hair. It's fully a facade product. I don't care. I love the way it smells. I love the way it looks. I don't care. I know it's fake. I know it is fully not doing anything to help my hair, but everything else here is. You can see, I just feel like it looks so much better now. The blonde was just, the color was looking so muted and sad, and it was making me sad. And honestly, you have to do the things that make you feel more alive and make you feel better. You can get everything in the links below, and I would absolutely, if your hair is seriously stretching, you're just having a hard time, I cannot tell you how shocked I am with this Joico product. It's crazy. K18 is another one. Just make sure you're using it correctly. That was my big mistake at the beginning. And then of course, It's a 10 Miracle product. Miracle, miracle, miracle. Amazing. All right, see you guys soon.